Wait, iPhone users.
If you're someone who often lets others use your iPhone, maybe to make a quick call, take pictures, or browse, but you want to make sure your private information, especially your bank apps, stays safe from cyber attacks, here are 3 powerful ways to lock down your phone. One of these methods will definitely work for your iOS version, but for this video, I'll be using iOS 18. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap Search Actions. In the search bar, type Ask. Now tap on Ask for Input. Tap on Text and change it from text to number. Tap on Prompt and enter. Ask for password to open app. This is what will show when someone tries to open the app. Tap the Done button. Click on Search Action again. Now search for If and tap on it. Tap on the number option. This will be your custom password. Enter your desired password like I'm doing. Tap on Done. Tap on Search Action again. Search for Open App and tap on it. Tap on App and choose the app you want to lock. For this example, I'll be locking CapCut. Long press on Open and drag it below the If command but above otherwise. Then tap Search Actions again. Search for Show Alert and tap on it. Tap on the alert message and change it from Do you want to continue to Incorrect PIN, then tap Done. Now move the alert to sit below otherwise, but above End If. Once this is done, open your App Store. Search for the app you locked. Mine is CapCut. Take a screenshot. Crop the screenshot so only the CapCut app icon shows, then save it to your photos. Now go back to the Shortcuts app. Tap on the share icon. Tap on Add to Home Screen. Tap the image icon. Change the name to match the app you're locking. Tap on Choose Photo. Select the screenshot you just cropped. Tap on Add Now. When someone taps the CapCut icon on your home screen, it will ask for your custom password. Now we've successfully created a CapCut duplicate lock disguised as the real one. But here's the trick. If someone still finds and opens the real app, it will open without a password. So what you'll do now is tap and hold on the actual CapCut app, then choose Remove from Home Screen. Now only the fake one is visible, and when someone taps it, they'll need your password. Method 2. Lock apps using Face ID or passcode with automation. Open the Shortcuts app. Tap on Automation at the bottom. Under Personal, click here. Under When, click on this arrow. Make sure is Opened is selected. Below here, click Run immediately. Then click on App. Select the apps you want to lock. Click on Done. Now, whenever someone tries to open those apps, your Face ID or password will be required, simple and secure. Now let me show you the last approach. You need to update your phone to iOS 18 to have access to this. Just long press the app you want to lock. Click Require Face ID. Click Require Face ID again. Or you can even decide to hide the app with the Face ID and your face is going to be captured and that's it. Now when you open the app, your Face ID will be required. Go ahead and do same for the rest of the apps you want to lock. And that's it for this video. Let me know which method works for you in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more iPhone tips like this.